Hey everybody, what's up? Welcome back to the AutoWire. Today, we're diving under the hood, but don't worry, you don't need to be a mechanic to handle these checks. We're going to walk through 10 super simple DIY vehicle inspections that you can do right in your driveway. Whether you're getting ready for a big road trip, trying to figure out why your car's making that weird noise, or just want to save some cash, these quick checks are your ticket to keeping your car happy, healthy, and running like a dream. No more surprise breakdowns, no more expensive trips to the mechanic. Just you, your car, and a few minutes of easy peasy maintenance. Let's get started. First up, we gotta talk about tires. They're often overlooked, but they play a crucial role in your vehicle's performance and safety. They're the only things connecting your car to the road, so keeping them in tip-top shape is super important. Proper tire maintenance can save you from unexpected breakdowns and accidents. We're going to start with a simple tire tread depth check using the trusty penny test. It's a quick and easy way to ensure your tires are still roadworthy. Grab yourself a penny and find the head of good old Abe Lincoln. This little coin can be a lifesaver when it comes to checking your tire tread. Now stick that penny head first into the groove of your tire tread. Make sure it's in there nice and snug. Can you see all of Abe's head? If you can, it's a clear sign that your tread is worn down. That means your tread is less than 2/32 of an inch, and it's time for some fresh rubber, my friend. Driving on worn out tires is risky and can lead to dangerous situations. If you can't see his head, you're in good shape for now, but keep an eye on it. Regular checks can help you catch wear and tear before it becomes a problem. Remember, good tires equal better traction, especially on those rainy or snowy days. Proper tread depth helps your car grip the road, reducing the risk of skidding and hydroplaning. Don't mess around with bald tires. Safety first. Always prioritize your safety and the safety of others on the road by ensuring your tires are in good condition. If your tires are worn out, don't hesitate to replace them. Investing in new tires can make a world of difference in your driving experience and overall safety. So, keep those tires in check and enjoy a smooth, safe ride every time you hit the road. Next up, let's talk about tire pressure, the air inside those rubber donuts that keeps your car rolling smoothly. Maintaining the right tire pressure is crucial for your vehicle's performance and your safety on the road. Underinflated tires can be a real drag. Literally, they can cause your car to handle poorly and increase the risk of a blowout. They create more rolling resistance, which means your engine has to work harder, guzzling more gas. This not only affects your fuel economy, but also increases wear and tear on your tires. On the flip side, overinflating your tires can lead to a bumpy ride and uneven wear. Over time, this can cause your tires to wear out faster, leading to costly replacements. So, how do you find that sweet spot? Easy peasy. It's all about regular checks and adjustments. Grab your tire pressure gauge. You can find one at any auto parts store for a few bucks. And check the pressure in each tire. It's a simple tool that can save you a lot of trouble down the road. Make sure your tires are cold for the most accurate reading. Checking them first thing in the morning or after the car has been parked for a few hours is best. Compare your findings to the recommended pressure listed in your owner's manual, or on that handy sticker inside your driver's side door jamb. This information is specific to your vehicle and ensures optimal performance. Adjust accordingly, and you're good to go. Regularly maintaining the correct tire pressure not only enhances your driving experience, but also extends the life of your tires, saving you money in the long run. All right, folks, it's time to get a little bit greasy. Whether you're a seasoned car enthusiast or a complete newbie, inspecting your oil levels is a fundamental skill that every car owner should master. Don't worry, checking your oil is way easier than you might think. It's a simple process that can save you a lot of trouble down the road. First things first, pop open that hood. You'll find the release lever under your steering wheel or near the driver's side door. It might take a bit of a tug, but don't worry, that's normal. Now locate the dipstick. It usually has a bright yellow or orange handle that says engine oil or something similar. This is your gateway to understanding your engine's health. Pull it out, give it a good wipe with a clean rag or paper towel, and then reinsert it all the way back in. This ensures you get an accurate reading. Wait a few seconds, pull it out again, and take a peek. This is the moment of truth. See those two lines on the dipstick? They indicate the minimum and maximum oil levels. You want your oil level to be between those lines. If it's too low, your engine might not be getting the lubrication it needs. If it's low, top it off with the recommended oil type for your car. You can find that info in your owner's manual. Make sure not to overfill, as too much oil can also cause problems. Checking your oil regularly can help you spot potential problems before they turn into engine-killing nightmares. It's a small step that can lead to big savings in repair costs and extend the life of your vehicle. So, take a few minutes every month to check your oil. Your car will thank you, and you'll drive with peace of mind knowing your engine is in good shape. Inspecting brake pads. Now, let's talk about brakes, because stopping safely is kind of important, right? Inspecting your brake pads is super important, and luckily it's not too hard to do. You can usually get a good look at your brake pads through the spokes of your wheels. Grab a flashlight and shine it in there. You're looking for a metal backing plate with a pad of friction material attached to it. The friction material is what grips the rotor to slow down your car. If you see less than a 1/4 inch of friction material remaining, it's time to think about getting those pads replaced. For a closer look, you can remove the wheel, but that's a topic for another video. Just remember, brakes are crucial for your safety, so don't ignore them. Next up, coolant levels. Your car's engine gets super hot, and the cooling system is what keeps it from overheating. The coolant, also known as antifreeze, circulates through the engine, absorbing heat and preventing it from becoming a molten mess. Checking the coolant level is easy. Just locate the coolant reservoir. It's usually a translucent plastic tank near the radiator, and it often has markings that say min and max. Make sure the coolant level is between those lines. If it's low, top it off with the correct type of coolant for your car. And remember, never open the radiator cap when the engine is hot. You could get seriously burned. Inspecting belts and hoses. All right, folks, let's move on to belts and hoses, those often overlooked components that keep everything running smoothly under the hood. Your car's engine relies on a network of belts and hoses to power things like the alternator, power steering pump, and air conditioning compressor. Over time, belts can crack, fray, or become glazed, while hoses can develop leaks or bulges. Give your belts and hoses a good visual inspection, looking for any signs of wear and tear. A flashlight can be super helpful for this. If you see any cracks, leaks, or other damage, it's best to get them replaced ASAP to avoid potential breakdowns. A dead battery is a real buzzkill, leaving you stranded and late for wherever you need to be. But checking your battery's health is actually pretty simple. You'll need a multimeter for this one. You can grab one at any auto parts store for about $10. With the engine off, connect the red lead of the multimeter to the positive terminal of your battery and the black lead to the negative terminal. A reading of 12.6 volts or higher means your battery is fully charged and happy. Anything below 12 volts could indicate a weak battery that might need replacing soon. Lights and signals. It's easy to take our car's lights and signals for granted, but they're essential for safety, especially at night or in bad weather. Take a few minutes to test all your lights: headlights, taillights, brake lights, turn signals, and hazard lights. Have a friend stand outside your car while you cycle through the different lights to make sure they're all working properly. If you find a bulb that's burned out, don't fret. Replacing a bulb is usually a quick and inexpensive fix. Wiper blades and washer fluid. Don't wait until you're caught in a downpour to realize your wiper blades are shot. Worn-out wiper blades can leave streaks and smears on your windshield, reducing visibility and making driving dangerous. Inspect your wiper blades for any signs of cracking, splitting, or rounding of the rubber edges. If they look worn out, it's time for a new set. While you're at it, check your washer fluid level. Just pop open the hood and locate the washer fluid reservoir. It's usually a clearly marked plastic tank. Top it off with washer fluid, especially if you live in an area with lots of bugs or road grime. Checking air filter. Last but not least, let's check the air filter. the unsung hero that keeps your engine breathing easy. A dirty air filter restricts airflow to the engine, which can reduce performance and fuel efficiency. Luckily, checking and replacing the air filter is a breeze. Locate the air filter housing. It's usually a black rectangular box near the engine. Open the housing, remove the old air filter, and hold it up to a light source. If you can't see light through it, it's clogged with dirt and needs replacing. Pop in a new air filter, close up the housing, and you're good to go. And there you have it, folks. 10 quick and easy DIY vehicle inspections you can do right at home, no mechanic needed. By taking a few minutes to check these things regularly, you'll save yourself money, keep your car running smoothly, and catch potential problems before they turn into major headaches. If you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the AutoWire for more car care tips and tricks, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. And be sure to share your own DIY car maintenance tips in the comments below. We might even feature them in a future video. Until next time, drive safe and take care of your ride.